everyone, I'm Luna, manager of NTech. I'm gonna show you what we did for Tesla Model Y. So this Tesla Model Y was just a regular paint, and we installed paint protection film XPEL Stealth on it, so it looks like a matte finish. And this one has a 10 years warranty against cracking or turning yellow, mainly issue of film. And we installed a headlight with slate smoke. This one is from XPEL as well. And this one is a colored paint protection film. And also fog lights too, as you can see. For taillight, we wrapped with wrapping film. This is not paint protection film, but it protects from sunburn and changing the color. We installed all windows with XPEL's XL tint, including roof. And the XPEL XL is good at heat reject, so it keeps inside really cool. And on the windshield, we installed the ClearPlex. This is for surface and protect the windshield from rock chips. And all after, we installed the Kamikaze film surface coating on top of the film. And it makes maintenance easier because the surface is very slick and easy to remove dust and the dirt. Then for rim and wheels, we use Kamikaze stance rim coating and for entire surface and the caliper.
Kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit.